Bluey stood proudly at the edge of the castle walls, the morning sun glowing across the land, his small paws clenched tight, because today he was not just a playful pup, today he was a prince ready to ride. The golden gates creaked open wide, and waiting before him was a mighty horse strong, its mane flowed like silver fire, eyes glowing with loyalty fierce, and its hoofs struck sparks against the stone. Could this be the steed meant for a true prince? Villagers gasped with awe loud, banners waved above bright, music thundered through the air sharp, every heart beating fast with pride. Could this moment be destiny calling Bluey's name? He climbed the saddle steady, the reins felt alive in his grip tight, the horse snorted and stomped eager, a storm of power under control, and the ride began with a single thunderous leap forward. Across the fields they galloped wild, dust and grass flying high, the earth trembled under hooves, yet Bluey's courage burned brighter. Could anything stop a prince and his horse? Suddenly, the forest loomed ahead dark, shadows crawled between trees, an eerie howl split the air sharp, and from the mist emerged wolves fierce, their eyes red and jaws snarling cruel. Could danger strike so suddenly? Bluey raised his sword tall, the horse neighed like thunder, friends appeared at his side quick, Bingo waving a flag bold, Rusty charging with a wooden spear, Indy and Coco shouting encouragement strong. Could teamwork break the fear? The wolves circled closer, but the horse stomped hard once, the ground shook like an earthquake, Bluey shouted with courage blazing, and the pack scattered back into the mist. Could victory belong to them already? Cheering erupted across the valley loud, villagers rushed forward proud, the sound of drums and flutes filled the sky high, Muffin and Socks ran to Bluey laughing, and Chili waved with tears proud. Could joy overflow like a river? The emperor himself stepped from the palace gates tall, his golden crown shining under the sun, his voice deep and booming strong, declaring Bluey the true guardian of the kingdom. Could honor be greater? But the quest was not done yet, for far on the horizon loomed mountains dark, their peaks hidden behind storm clouds angry, lightning flashed and thunder roared. Could the prince's journey continue further? Bluey patted his horse gentle, the animal snorted with pride, its mane shimmering in the fading light, and with a single command sharp, they galloped once more toward the unknown. Could tomorrow hold even greater legends? And as the crowd cheered forever loud, Bluey raised his sword one last time high, fireworks burst across the sky glittering, hearts beat in rhythm with triumph strong, and he whispered quietly yet firm, "Thank you all for riding with me, this adventure is only the beginning, so if you want to ride again with courage, like, subscribe, and never miss the next tale of Bluey the Prince on his mighty horse."